Hi, this is Kan Nishida from BI Publisher Development Team. Today's topic is Oracle E-Business Suite role-based data security. So let's take a look. BI Publisher has been integrated with E-Business Suite as XML Publisher, which is a previous name before it became to be renamed as BI Publisher. It is a set of the Java libraries that has been tightly integrated as part of the E-Business Suite applications. It has its own repository inside E-Business database to store the layout and the data template type of things. And it has its own UI based on the web framework to manage that template. And it uses concurrent managers to schedule the report and run the report and access to the E-Business Suite transactional data. The problem is it can access to only the E-Business Suite data. Also, BI Publisher Enterprise server users have been taking advantage of the great functionality and features that came with BI Publisher Enterprise 11G, such as layout editor or data model editor or interactive views. So as long as you're using BI Publisher within the E-Business Suite as the integrated version, then you're missing out all those great functionality and features. In order to take advantage of such features and also combine your E-Business Suite transaction data with other data from different data sources and aggregate and combine and present in a single report, you want to move to BI Publisher Enterprise. However, the key here is how to respect the security that you have configured at the E-Business Suite side, right? So the E-Business Suite security is based on FND security and it uses the responsibility and org ID to protect your data type of things. So how to support that? That's what we did with the latest release to automatically respect the E-Business Suite's data level security. BI Publisher security service connects with FND security inside the E-Business Suite to retrieve such security type of information. And once the connection is created, and any following SQL queries going against the E-Business Suite transaction data will respect that context that's set by the security service. And from there, you are basically using BI Publisher Enterprise UI to manage the reports, run the report, schedule the reports, and take advantage of all the features that come with the Publisher Enterprise on top of that E-Business Suite FND-based security. In the E-Business Suite, there's a responsibility, which is like application role, the group kind of stuff, and which is assigned to each user. And responsibility is associated with org ID, which represent the organization. And then most of the views in the E-Business Suite respect this organization ID. So for example, if your organization ID is 180, and you'll get only the data within the red squares. If your organization ID is 155, then you'll get only the first row. So based on the responsibility you pick, and when you log into the E-Business Suite, and you'll get a different set of the data, even though you're accessing the same report with other users, but each user will get a different data set. So let's take a look how to enable the E-Business Suite role-based data security support and how that works. So I log into the BI Publisher server, and then let's go to administration page and go to security configuration under the security center. And that's where we can see that Oracle E-Business Suite has been selected for the security model. And then underneath, there's a DBC file. So like you need to get this DBC file usually under the application home directory. And then once you get the DBC file, you just click and then it's upload. And then that's it. Once you upload, and then you need to restart the BI Publisher Enterprise server. And then you log in. Boom, you already your environment is already integrated with your E-Business Suite application. So let me sign out. So if I log in, so now as you notice, like I use operation, which is the E-Business Suite user, and then I use the same password to log in. And when I log in, and the first thing I'm gonna get is this little dialog. That's where I can select the E-Business Suite responsibility. So in this case, all the responsibility assigned to this user I can see. So let me choose Receivable Vision Germany as my responsibility. Click OK. So now I'm in the home window. So let me open this one with a report. For example, this customer open balance report, which I created based on the report that comes with the E-Business Suite. So here, like I have these parameters. and then here's a report, and this is the same RTF template I use from I copy from eBusiness Suite. And here, when I go here, this is I created another layout by using the online layout editor. So now that I'm in the BI Publish Enterprise, so I can use all the features that come with BI Publish Enterprise, right? So here, like I'm doing a grouping by. So these are the customers, and here there's the header section, and there's a value and a currency, and all dynamic, right? So for example, if I select that to the next different customers, now this value, this is the total of all the invoices, so that value dynamically calculated. And as same as here, so this is a table based on the column. So like a table, here's a total, and then these are different columns, and I can do sorting or like a filtering based on the values. Here, also another thing here, the Vision Germany. This is based on the organization that I belong to. I mean, which is based on the responsibility I selected at the logins, because I selected Vision Germany, right? So now, like if after I log in, if I want to change the responsibility, what I need to do is go to here, the operations. This is my username, and go to my account. And under my group, there's a responsibility. And I can select a different responsibility here, receivables, Vision France. And I'm going to select that, click OK. So now, now my organization name is being changed to the Vision France. And in this customer name also, all the customers have something to do with this organization, right? So, and the organization is associated with the responsibility. So now, like I'm using the different responsibility. That's why I'm getting different data set. I created another layout to gives you more the analytical view, but using still the same data. So, for example, in this case, I have the country here, and this is a year. I see the trending of the transactions, and here is base transaction amount, but categorized by or grouped by the customers. Here's the customer list, and then here's another chart, and here's the table. So, for example, if I'm interested in particular customers, and based on that, like all the charts being just automatically filters. So look at here is again, like it's a France. This is coming from the data. So if I select that different responsibility, so now I go to my groups and find that different responsibility. Let's go back to the Germany responsibility. So here I click OK, and then now like I'm supposed to be seeing the different set of the data. Here now the country is Germany and US, and all the customers are located in these countries, and therefore I have access to it by using this responsibility. So look at here is only the data is for under the Germany and the US, and where the US there's a customer. So this is the total internet. That's the customer from the US. But if I don't care, I'm curious, particularly for the German customers, and these are the customers. So this way, the BI Publisher respect the security setting. It's been done at the eBusiness Suite application side, and then retrieve the data based on the user's selection of the responsibility. Hope this demonstrates the ability and the capability of the BI Publisher's eBusiness Suite role-based security, and also shows how simple and easy to configure to integrate together. Thanks for watching.